Today we're going to be changing out the cabin air filter on our 2015 Ford Edge. The only thing you'll need for this job is a Phillips-head screwdriver. It's behind the glove box, so let's get started. So open up your glove box. All right, and on the side you have an arm right here, which you need to slide forward. Okay. Slide forward and pop out. So there's two little clips holding these together. So I'm just gonna push back, pull up, fall down, and now you can get to your cabin air filter. Now the difference between the other videos and ours is we have a screw here and you have a screw right there. So before we can take this out, we have to undo these with our Phillips head screwdriver. You have a clip here and a clip here, and you just have to move it out like that, and move this one out like this, and it should slide. You can see it moving. I just got to get this clip right there. Okay, and now, which we don't have one, oh my goodness, well, you take your cabin air filter out and you put your replacement air filter, which we have right here, and we'll give you a link in our bottom of the video. So here's our arrows as far as the airflow, and on these 15s the airflow goes down. So just put it in like this. And slide all the way in. Oops, like that. I don't have to mess that up. And then you push this back up. It clips right back in. Right there. That one went in, and that one went in. Now we'll put our screws back in, and we'll be good to go. All right. Push that back up like that. Come over here, grab your arm, and slide it through the hole. Push it back down like that. There you go. That'll hold it in. Close it up. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe to our channel so we can show you how to make more fixes to your cars. Thanks for watching.